This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bob Weyrauch. First floor unit with double main bedroom split floor plan. No carpet, marble floors in main living area and vinyl plank floors in bedrooms. Modern kitchen with granite countertops. Washer and dryer inside the unit. Nice community amenities includes 24-hour manned gate entrance, large clubhouse with fitness center, on-site manager, heated pool and SBA, tennis court, tot lot play area and tiki hut barbecue area. Very pet friendly and can lease right away with no wait period. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Weyrauch at 561-283-7370.